So to fix this problem, you have to go to your phone settings. So to simply go to your phone settings, go to your notification bar and tap on your settings bar, which is close to your profile, which is down below over here. Tap on it and you're going to be in your settings, and it's very simple. So when you get to your phone settings, what you have to do is to scroll to search for apps and notifications. When you find it, just tap on it to open it. And after tapping on it to open it, you're going to see your apps. Just tap on the see your apps and you're going to see all your app listed over here. So to sell or to do next thing is to try to search or scroll down and you're going to find your Gmail app over here. So tap on the Gmail app, then tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, then make sure the background data is turned on. So after turning on the background data, when it's off, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your Google Play Store app. So when you find your Google Play Store app, tap on it to open it and try to search for Gmail. When you search for Gmail, you're going to get this result, then you tap on it to be like this. When you tap on it to be like this, what you have to do is to check for latest update. When you can see update over here, just tap on it to update your Gmail app. But when you can find open, just leave it like that and restart or reboot your device. So to restart or reboot your device, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, then you tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting or rebooting your device. Thank you very much for watching this video. Think this video has been helpful to you, so please tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.